Conquering English, Fatigue and Weakness. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic in health and wellness vocabulary. This is particularly relevant when we need to express how we feel, especially when we're not feeling well. The topic for today is fatigue and weakness. Let's dive in. Fatigue, in the context of health, means feeling constantly tired or exhausted. It is more than just feeling sleepy, it's a persistent sense of tiredness that doesn't go away even with rest. Here are some sentences you could use to express fatigue. I've been feeling fatigued lately. I've been experiencing fatigue for a few weeks now. I'm feeling very tired all the time. Remember, fatigued is an adjective and fatigue is a noun. So, you can be fatigued, adjective, or you can experience fatigue, noun. Weakness is another symptom that people often experience when they are not feeling well. This refers to a lack of physical or muscular strength. You may feel weak if you're ill, haven't eaten, or haven't had enough sleep. Here are some sentences you could use to express weakness. I've been feeling weak for a few days. My arms and legs feel very weak. I'm feeling a general sense of weakness. Just like with fatigue, weak is an adjective, and weakness is a noun. You can be weak, adjective, or you can experience weakness, noun. Now, let's look at how we can use these terms in everyday conversations. You might want to tell a friend about your symptoms or perhaps inform a doctor about how you're feeling. Here are a few examples. Doctor, I've been experiencing significant fatigue and weakness over the last week. I think I need to rest. I've been feeling very fatigued and weak today. Do you have any advice for dealing with chronic fatigue and muscular weakness? Understanding how to express symptoms like fatigue and weakness can be very helpful in conveying how you're feeling to others, especially in health-related situations. The better you can express these, the better you can communicate your needs or condition. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these words in your daily conversations. I hope this video has been helpful in expanding your health and wellness vocabulary. Until next time, keep practicing and stay healthy.